Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today I've come with two easy and delicious recipes using Quaker Oats with flavor mix. This is a new product launched by Quaker Oats. This pack contains regular oats along with two different flavor mix. 3 sachets of home style masala flavor mix and 1 sachet of tangy tomato flavor mix. In this video, we'll see how to bake masala oats bun using home style masala flavor mix. It tastes so delicious, just like bakery style khara buns, and also oats and vegetable omelette using tangy tomato flavor mix. So let us see how to make this. To make the oats masala bun, we'll take half cup of oats. Here I am powdering the oats. Powder it and take it in a bowl. If you don't want to powder, you can use the instant oats as it is. And into this we'll add 100 ml of hot water. Mix it and keep it for 15 minutes. The oats will soak the water. After 15 minutes, we'll add 100 ml more of water, lukewarm water. Into this, we'll add half teaspoon of instant yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar and mix it well. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. This is 220 grams. 2 tablespoons of milk powder. In case you don't want to use milk powder, you can use milk instead of water. And then the Quaker Oats home style masala flavor mix. We'll add 2 sachets of home style masala flavor mix. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix it. After mixing, just feel it and see whether water is enough. If it is not enough, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons more of water during the kneading process. Now we'll knead this with the kneading hooks using the hand mixer. You can also knead it by hands. Knead it for 15 to 20 minutes by hands till it turns soft and elastic. Now the dough is become soft and elastic. I have kneaded using the kneading hooks for 5 to 7 minutes. Now the dough is very stretchable. So now into this we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature and knead it till the butter is properly incorporated into the dough. And then into this we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it into the dough. Now we'll use our hands and mix it well and make it into a nice ball and allow the dough to rest for 1 to 1.5 hours till the dough becomes doubled in size. The time required will change depending on the weather conditions. Now the dough is nice and soft. We'll Apply some oil and keep it in the bowl for proofing. While the dough is proofing, let us make the tangy tomato flavored oats and vegetable omelette. For that, here I am taking half cup of oats, powder it, and take it into a bowl. Into this we'll add the tangy tomato flavor mix. Add around 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cabbage, 2 tablespoons of finely grated carrot. You can use any vegetables of your choice, and 1 medium size onion. 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves finely chopped, and into this 2 eggs. We'll add 2. Add salt to taste and pepper powder. About 6 to 8 tablespoons of milk to get the right consistency. Beat it well. Now we'll keep a skillet on the stove. Add a tablespoon of oil and pour the egg mixture. Cook on medium flame. The tangy tomato flavor mix makes the omelette really delicious, and it's a good option for a healthy breakfast. Now one side is cooked. I'm applying some oil on a plate because if I turn it with a spatula it might break. So I'm turning it onto the plate, and then I'll slide it onto the pan again to cook the other side. Now our delicious tangy tomato flavored oats and vegetable omelette is ready. Please do try it. It is really nice. Now our masala oats bun dough is proofed. Now let us shape this. We'll divide this into 5 equal parts of around 110 grams. If you're interested in bread baking, please do check out my other bread recipes. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Press the bell icon and select all option to receive notifications of new videos. Now let us make tight balls of the dough. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button, and I would love to see your comments and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you. Flatten the dough a little and bring the dough to the center like this and make it into tight balls and roll it nicely to smoothen it. We'll transfer this onto a baking tray. Here I have lined it with parchment paper. You can also just grease the pan and keep the dough. Now we'll proof this for about 15 to 20 minutes or till it is just double in size. Now the dough is proofed. It is to be proofed for only 15 to 20 minutes till it is doubled in size. Here my dough has proved a little more because I got busy with something else and just forgot about this. If the dough is proofed, over proofed, then it will not rise up in the oven. So we have to be very careful during the second proofing. It should be proofed just till it is doubled in size, or else we'll not get the perfectly baked bread or bun. So now we'll bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes on toast mode till the top of the bun turns golden brown. Now the buns are beautifully baked. Let us brush it with some melted butter or ghee. These are super delicious buns which can be easily made using the Quaker Oats home style masala mix, and it tastes just like bakery style khara buns. So please do try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.